The third volume in the series on political science through question answers covers comparative politics and international relations. These two subfields of political science are relatively more dynamic than political theory or public administration. Therefore, it is difficult to find a single handbook or a reference book that comprehensively covers all the relevant topics given in the syllabus. This volume has been prepared by laboring through various latest books, institutional reports, and articles from across the world. The volume includes total of 374 answers, of which 129 were asked by UPSC in previous years, while remaining 245 are answers of expected questions. The first chapter exposes the foundational questions of comparative politics, covering various perspectives and approaches within this field. The second chapter covers state and political systems in comparative politics, while the third chapter examines other models and forms of political participation, that is, political parties, pressure groups, and social movements. The fourth chapter deals with globalization, a term that has been applied indiscriminately to describe a wide range of processes. The next chapter covers the nuances of common concepts in the study of international relations, such as national interest, foreign policy, security, power, deterrence, and so on. The sixth chapter takes a deep dive into various theories and approaches to the study of international relations, while the seventh chapter covers the topic of changing international political order. Eighth chapter takes a comprehensive look at international economic system since the post-war era. Next chapter is dedicated to the scrutiny and analysis of United Nations organizations. The 10th chapter of the book addresses the phenomena of regionalization of global politics. The 11th and final chapter in this book covers 5 contemporary global concerns, such as democracy, human rights, gender, environment, and terrorism. Grab this book on the link given below or visit the bookshop of the Unique Academy in Pune.